A teakwood log is first cut in form of cuboid of length 2.3 meters, width 0.75 meters and of certain thickness. We don't know the thickness. Its volume is 1.104 cubic meters. How many rectangular planks of size 2.3 meter by 0.75 meter by 0.04 meter can be cut from the cuboid? See here, very easy. Just divide the volume of this log with the volume of this plank and you'll get the numbers. So volume of this log is given as 1.104. You need not find the height. Some books give the find the thickness, means they find the thickness. It's not required at all. So volume equals to 1.104. Now volume of the plank is what? This 2.3, 0.75 and 0.05. Just multiply them. You get 0.069 cubic meters. Now what are the number of planks that can be formed? This volume upon this volume. 1.104 by 0.069, you get 16. That's the required answer. Many books go to find the thickness of this, saying H and all these things. This is not required and waste of time. What we require in competitive exams is the fastness. You must be able to grasp what is required and what is not required. Otherwise you will waste time in solving the unnecessary mathematical things which are not required at all. Our ultimate aim is getting the scores. So first understand what is required, only then go for solving. Okay. Download YuvaGuru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, I suggest learn tables and squares up to 30 by heart and cubes up to 15 by heart.